1973 Schwinn Stingray. This bike was originally purchased at the Bushy's Bicycle Shop in Lemoyne back in 1973. Decided to do powder coating because the frame was too rusty and scratched. Found a soft candy red that matched perfectly. Now I am putting all the chrome parts in an oxalic acid bath. Found a warm day in early January with temps above freezing. Soaked in bath for 36 hours to account for cold temperatures. Sandblasting the original paint off the frame. Now it's ready for powder coating. Doing some undercoating test samples to match the original color perfectly. Great results from the acid bath. Now doing high-end mirror finish polish on all the chrome parts. Perfect mirror finished results. Re-smoking the Schwinn tubular S7 rims. If done correctly, there's little or no fine-tuning needed. Applying the water slide decals on.